Hey guys, on today's video, I wanted to show you how you can actually take advantage of our new good-looking link styles that will help you get more click-through rates in a more creative way for your links to your blog posts or your shops. So to get started on how to actually apply a link and then how to apply the styles, the first thing to do is to click on Add Block. When you click on it, you will see as a drop-down, there's the link option. You'll click on it and there will be a space where you can copy paste one of your links into the section. Once you copy paste it and click enter, the block will apply with the link. And now on the left hand side, you will see that you have block settings option. So the first option is text only, and as the option is called, is just a text where you can click on it, change the label and just apply it as a text. This will be also a call to action button with the text only. The next option that we have is classic. Again, as the name describes, it's just a classic option with the label. You can also change the text here. And plus you have an option to add a small thumbnail image where you can also remove it or just leave the link to natively pull the thumbnail. Next up, we have a description option. This is an extension of the classic link where it will give you an option to add a description as well to your link. You can just click on the label, click on the description as well, and there's also a space to add a little bit bigger thumbnail image for your link. The next option is the feature. This one will help you actually bring, let's say, a focal point to the image, and where you also have an option to add a label. As you can see here, the highlight and the call to action is actually the image. You can also go with the mouse over, click on the label and add your text. And the last but not least is the overlay option. This one is the most requested style. It's similar to the featured one, where you'll give a highlight to the image in a good looking style, and you can also have a floating label below the image. Once you select one of these options that you see fit for your links, please make sure to click Save in the top right corner so you can apply these settings live to your Feedlink page. So pretty much that's it. That's how you can set up the new good looking styles. And of course, if you need any assistance from the customer success team, you can click on the bottom right corner for the live chat, or you can email us at support@embedsocial.com. Thanks.